KitchenAid has recently redesigned their entire line, and I am so happy to show you here one of their new freestanding ranges. The first thing that you are going to notice is they have actually enhanced the size of their knobs. So they went from a little bit of a smaller to a bigger round knob, which gives it, in my opinion, a little bit more of a professional look. Super easy to take on and off if you need to clean. They did enhance their handle as well. They add that nice kind of etching in the middle. And you still have the emblems on the side that are really going to help, you know, kind of distinguish that KitchenAid red design. And the one thing that I have really liked that they've done is they had made sure to add everything in their new lineup, that nice fingerprint resistant stainless steel that we all know and love, right? There's nothing worse than cleaning stainless. On the top surface, you will see a really large griddle section in the middle to make sure to really get that heat distribution, to make sure that it's covering all points on that griddle function. You still are going to have some big elements in the front as well as smaller in the back with your simmer burner. On the top, they finally decided to add the air fry function, which has been fantastic. Goes really well. Instead of having to constantly bring out that really heavy air fryer onto your countertop, you can do everything directly now inside your oven. And one thing that it's always been a personal thing that I like is I like when there's a physical number panel. So if you want to go to 425 and instead of having to toggle up and toggle down, just hit 425 and then hit start. Inside the oven, you will see a large oven capacity with the convection fan in the back, 2 racks, as well as their new design for self-cleaning. It's been around for a couple years, but this one is going to be really focused on kind of that aqua lift self-clean. Put some water at the bottom. It's going to essentially, instead of baking it off, it is going to help lift that off with steam. But if that's not for you, you still can do your traditional self-clean as well. And then of course, on the bottom element, you are going to have a nice size storage drawer. Other thing that they have done is they have minimalized their logo. So it's just going to be in the right-hand corner instead of a big logo in the center. So stop by a location, take a look, and see if the new KitchenAid is going to be the best for you.